make your chest box bigger, okay? So, bigger, we don't want to be like outside the body, we want to be still muscular, but how can we develop our range of movement? Okay, so tip number one is exactly that, to improve the range of movement. This involves stretching, okay? So, for example, we can take one in behind, and we can extend the arm, and we can reach up and over, and we can stretch. So when you're stretching, you're lengthening these muscles, which are obliques. We use our obliques for slides, which is part of a chest box. Okay, so slides. So I'm pulling in and I'm reaching, careful to stick the bottom out, keep your alignment up, and then you always want to keep your neck, so your neck is always nice and long, shoulders are always down. Let's try the other side. So, you want to build strength, but also flexibility in these muscles. Will help you get a better chest box or a bigger chest box. It can be relevant to many isolations actually, but anyway, we're here to talk about chest boxes, sorry, so let's talk about those. So again, feeling the stretch here, pull the tummy, make sure you're not sticking your bottom out, and always look for space. Always, always, always look for space. Okay, so that's tip number one, stretching. Okay, so let's just try that. So if I do my stretches, and then I do my chest slide, which is part of the chest box movement, sliding one side to the other, it is about freeing up this area here, but staying in control, because we're isolating. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and now we're going to do the up and the down part of the box. Chest lifts and chest drops. How do we improve this? Okay, so for example, you can work on those in your kind of back bends in yoga when we do up dog. I'm not going to show you on the floor now, but Google it. If you have no idea what upwards dog is, Google it. Okay, so you kind of want to extend and open in this direction. This will stretch this area here, and you'll get a deeper back bend here. Without sticking your bottom out, I'm imagining I'm lying on the floor doing my upwards dog or baby cobra to help open this area here, okay? So, that's my second tip. So, you're stretching in this area here, okay? So, let's put them together. So imagine you've done something on the floor, do some stretches, or go press pause, go do some stretches, come back. You go side to 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 side, and then side, lift, slide, drop, slide, lift, slide. Now believe it or not, my second tip, maybe it's my third by now, I don't know. Anyway, my next tip is that you want to isolate. So cleaner, more precise, more accurate isolations will give you a bigger effect, if that makes any sense. So this is trying to be really big, but I've lost all control and everything's moving. This is not so good or clean, all right? But if I really get control of my muscles and I really isolate, and I really know what muscles I'm contracting, where and how, then my muscles and my box will read bigger, even if actually it's smaller and more precise. Because you can see it cleaner, right? Yeah? So, those are my tips for a bigger chest box. I hope it helps you. If you've got any special requests for any of the videos, write them in the comment section below. If enough people ask for it, I will do videos especially for you. Check out my website, BellyDance.com. Come and train with me here in person in Warren Street by Euston, Studio 339. Otherwise, all of my classes are also available to train with me online. From anywhere in the world, in your pajamas if you like. Everything to choose from, so belly dance, from solo, Tahitian, Latin, Samba, yoga, Pilatissimo, tribal from a trap, my style tribal fusion, lots and lots to choose from, so check it out. And I'll see you soon.